Welcome back to Auto Velocity Alley, where we explore the most historic and iconic vehicles from every corner of automotive history, and today we are stepping back into the late 19th century to take a closer look at the 1897 Peugeot Type 15. This was one of the earliest true automobiles from Peugeot, a company that would go on to become one of the oldest and most respected car manufacturers in the world. The Type 15 marked an important evolution in car design and engineering at a time when the automobile was still a completely new concept for most people. The 1897 Peugeot Type 15 was a significant step forward from the earlier models. It was larger, more advanced and more powerful than many of the early motorized vehicles being built during that era. This car came with a two-cylinder 4-stroke V-format engine, which was a major innovation for its time. The engine produced around 8 horsepower, which was quite impressive considering the era, and was mounted at the rear of the car, providing propulsion through a chain-driven system. This setup gave the Type 15 a top speed of approximately 28 km per hour, or about 17 miles per hour. Unlike earlier Peugeot models that resembled motorized carriages, the Type 15 adopted a more automobile-like layout with a long wheelbase and spacious seating for up to 4 passengers. The car featured a front-facing driver's seat and a rear passenger bench with open bodywork that reflected the design trends of the 1890s. The layout improved comfort and practicality, making the Type 15 one of the earliest Peugeot vehicles to really resemble what we consider a car today. The engine cooling system used water circulation, which was advanced at the time and helped regulate temperatures during longer runs. It had a basic but functional transmission system with 3 forward gears and no reverse. This was typical for the time but still represented a major technical achievement. The controls were managed using levers and pedals, and steering was done via a tiller system instead of a traditional wheel, as that design had not yet become standard. The Peugeot Type 15 also featured solid rubber tires mounted on wire spoke wheels and had a suspension system based on semi-elliptical leaf springs, which helped provide a smoother ride on the rough and unpaved roads of the time. The braking system consisted of mechanical drum brakes operated by hand, which, although simple, were effective for the performance and weight of the vehicle. One of the most important aspects of the Type 15 was its construction. Peugeot was already becoming known for its attention to detail and quality. Even in the earliest days of car production, the frame was made from steel, and the overall build quality set it apart from many of the other experimental vehicles of the era. The Type 15 was not a prototype, it was a production model built for customers who wanted to experience the freedom and excitement of early motoring. This car played a critical role in establishing Peugeot's reputation as a serious automobile manufacturer and helped set the company on a path toward innovation and reliability. The lessons learned from building and selling the Type 15 would influence future designs and help shape the automotive industry in France and across Europe. The 1897 Peugeot Type 15 might seem primitive by modern standards, but its combination of early engine technology, innovative design and practical usability make it a true pioneer in the world of cars. It was one of the first steps toward mass-produced vehicles and helped bring personal transportation closer to the public. Thanks for watching this episode here on Auto Velocity Alley, where history comes alive through the wheels of engineering milestones. If you enjoyed this look at one of the earliest Peugeot cars ever built, make sure to subscribe to Auto Velocity Alley for more timeless machines and classic automotive legends from around the world.